Every car moves because of one thing: how power travels from the engine to the wheels. This system is called the drivetrain. It decides how your car handles, accelerates, and performs, whether it's a small hatchback, a luxury sedan, or a rugged off-roader. There are several drivetrain types used today, but the main ones are front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Let's break down how each one works and what makes them unique. Front-wheel drive. In this setup, the engine sends power only to the front wheels. It's simple, lightweight, and fuel-efficient. That's why it's the most common design for compact cars and family vehicles. Because the engine's weight sits over the driven wheels, traction on wet or slippery roads is usually better. However, since the front wheels handle both steering and power, FWD cars can struggle with understeer during hard cornering or fast acceleration. You'll find this setup in cars like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and most modern hatchbacks. Rear-wheel drive. Here, the power goes to the back wheels, while the front wheels steer. This layout gives better balance and handling, making it popular in sports cars and performance sedans. As the car accelerates, weight shifts to the rear, giving those wheels more traction, perfect for strong takeoffs and smooth cornering. But on wet or icy surfaces, RWD can be harder to control since the rear has less weight. Common examples include the BMW 3 Series, Ford Mustang, and Toyota Supra. All-wheel drive. A WD automatically sends power to all four wheels. The system constantly monitors traction and adjusts power between the front and rear to maintain grip. It's great for everyday driving, especially in rain, snow, or uneven terrain. Some AWD systems are full-time, always active, while others engage only when needed. Vehicles like the Subaru Outback and Audi Quattro are known for their smart, adaptive AWD systems. Four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive is designed for serious off-road use. It can deliver equal power to all four wheels, and most systems allow the driver to switch between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive manually. Many also feature low-range gearing for maximum torque and control on steep or rocky surfaces. This system is built for strength and durability, perfect for SUVs and trucks like the Jeep Wrangler and Toyota Land Cruiser. Each drivetrain has its own purpose. Front-wheel drive for simplicity and economy. Rear-wheel drive for power and handling. All-wheel drive for control and safety. Four-wheel drive for strength and off-road performance. Together, these drivetrains show how engineering adapts to every road, every driver, and every journey.